Hi friends, how are you all? Okay, today we are going to see about mail merge. So some of the people they know very well about mail merge. Right now I am discussing here about mail merge while using Outlook. Right now we are using for MS Word, Excel as well as the Outlook. Why? Because these three things come under Office 365. Who are all working under the Outlook, those people will know very well. For our Microsoft Word only offering these three applications. So in the Outlook, easily you can send bulk of mails to different sort of people as well as different sort of documents in a different kind of people. Minimum 100, maximum up to your level. If you're sending for 500 people at a time, it is possible to send instead of typing each and every body of letters. Okay, so that is a use we are using for mail merge. In other way, some people in a big organization and all, they want to send bulk mail to different sort of people, and one person should not see for other person email id also. That's the main purpose we are using this mail merge option. Okay, right now we are going to discuss about in depth. We need MS Word, MS Excel as well as for the Outlook account or else in the Office 365 account. Those who are working in a company, those people will have Office 365 account, and some other individual persons they have for Outlook account. Okay, now what you need first, okay, you have to create a file in MS Excel. So what are the informations you have to create in MS Excel? That is what we are seeing here. Let's see what is the information you should be contained in MS Excel. See, I already created the file in MS Excel. That is a first name, last name, as well as for the email ID. Okay, likewise, whatever the information you need, those things you can create in a MS Excel. Okay, example, some people need to send for invoices and due date and interview date and anything else. Example, different kind of people you are sending for different interview date. In a sense, you have to open one more field also from here as interview date. Okay, from here I'm telling interview date, and you can type it for a interview date. Example, Swarna is having for some other interview date and Sugi is having for some other date of interview. In a sense, you can type it here whatever information is required. Okay, now for example, I have selected for only 3 person for sending a mail at the same time. Okay, the message contains just for a friendly message I'm going to send. If you want to use in a business purpose, just you can create a file along with the email id like this, and you have to save it in a desktop. Okay, and example, different company you are having. In a sense, company 1, company 2, company 3. In a sense, example, you are running 3 company 1, company 2 and company 3, you're sending same message but different email id. Okay, so from here you can create company 1, from here you can create company 2, and from here you can create for company 3. Otherwise, same email id, because same message only you are sharing, correct? So from here itself you can type it all the person detail and you can save it. Okay, this is a file you have to prepare. The first step, after creating this data sheet, then you have to type a message, what message you are going to send for these 3 persons. Okay, the file like this in Excel sheet. Okay, in the first row you have to give a header of the respective rows. If your example, first name, if you are typing here in the second row, it will not accept. So keep in mind, in your Excel sheet, in the first row you have to type the header of the each and every row. That is very very important. Okay, now we can open for the Word document and we can type it what a message. I already created one Word document. I will open it right now. Yeah, Word document I have opened. This is what the message I have typed here. That means, dear, please attend the hurdle on Sunday without file that discuss all your queries. Okay, simply I'm typing only 3 people know. For example, I'm typing one message. If you want to type it in your business, whatever the message, you can type it here and put it here, thanks with regards, like this. Okay, and thanks record. And if you want to type it anything, you can type it here. Okay, some people they will type it for some date as well as timing and everything else. And I want to send different type of people with their respective name, correct? So once you open it here, what you have to do, go to mailing. Okay, then you can start mail merge. You can select as a letters. Okay, then you can select a recipient, type a new list, use an existing list, and choose from Outlook contacts. Okay, if you're having Outlook contact also, you can use it. Otherwise, if you want to type a new list, in a sense, if you're clicking, in a sense, you have to create each and first name, last name, company name, address. Okay, not required. Why? Because I already have an existing file, correct? So you can click use an existing list. So what is the existing list will be there? I already saved in a desktop as a mail merge. Okay, open it. So from there I typed as three sheet, correct? Company one. If you have company two and three and all, based on that you can select the sheet. I need company one. See from here what they have written. That's very important. First row of data contains column header. Yeah, exactly. So give us okay. So now these field and all enable. Earlier it is not enable. After selecting a document, these field and all enable right now. Okay, I have typed for dear, and nearby I need a name, first name of each and every person. So how I can put? You can go for insert merge field, select first name, because I already created a document, first name, last name, as well as the email. See here, first name, last name, as well as the email. This is what I created already. So each and every letter I need a first name. So what I have to do it from here, dear, click here and go to insert merge field and select as first name. Okay, put a comma. This is what the message I want to send each and every person. What's the next step I have to do? So everything is okay. So from here, if you want, you can type it your name and anything else if you want. Okay, and now I am going to send these three person this message. So how I can send? Everything is okay. I want to cross check every person name is coming or not. From here you can go see what's the first name and preview result. Okay, if you want to give a preview, you can preview it here. See, preview simi, and it's coming. See, three name I saved and three name it's coming. That is a preview you can look at, and it is a final step. After looking for the preview, you can go from here, finish and merge. Give finish and merge. Okay, so what is available from here? Edit individual document, print document, and send email message. Edit individual document, in a sense, you want to send any individual document, nothing else. As the same thing for all the people. Individual document, in a sense, you have to select one person, one. Otherwise, if you are selecting current record, in a sense, this current record only have to go. Okay, not required. Close it. You can come here, send email message. Okay, so it is asking first name, last name, and email. We need to send for email only. So if you are selecting for first name, email will not send. So email, what is the subject line? Just you can type it for about hurdle. About hurdle. Okay, and from here it is available attachment, plain text, HTML. So you can select for HTML. If you're selecting for attachment, this word document as a whole word document will go along with this text. Okay, not required same information. So that's a reason I'm telling to send for HTML. And any other attachment, different attachment, if you want to send, it is not possible to use this in this view. You need one more tool like merge toolkit. Okay, from here you can look file, home, see, Cancel it. File, home, insert, design, layout, reference, mailing, review, view, help. Okay, one more option is also required, that is merge tools. If it is not available, you cannot attach separate document and sending to different people. Okay, right now we are sending only for the mail, not with any other attachment. Okay, even though if you want to attach, in a sense, what is available from here, same document will only attach. Okay, so in the next video I will show you how you can attach different document for the different people. Okay, if you want to send pay slip and all, how you can send each and every person, that and all we will look for the next video. But this video only for texting, only for same texting to sending different people, that is what we are looking right now. Okay, now you can go here, finish and merge, send email. That is what email already selected. From here, what's the subject is required, about hurdle. Okay, from here you can select HTML. You need all the person or respective person. Yeah, I need to send for all the person. All the person you can select, and from here click OK. Okay, now it is sent. I am looking for the mail merge because I have given as a same email ID. So I am opening for see from here. The mail arrived about the hurdle. See, dear Simi, please attend the hurdle on Sunday without fail there. So this is a way you can send it for other people also. See, 3 people it has come. Okay, as the same way you have to mention to all the people. Okay, this is a way you can send bulk of people for email. Okay, and with attachment I will explain to you for the next video, as well as I will give you one link for merging tool. Okay, one plugin will be there, most toolkit and all. If you're installing it, you can use it, but some other people not possible to install because some website it is showing for to purchase. Okay, so such cases it is not possible. So what I will do, I already created merge tool in MS Word. Okay, that link I will share to you. Just you can open that Word, you can attach and share the document. Okay, and that we can look for the next video. And in this video you can send bulk mail in a different people only for the text messages. Okay, I think you learned some new things from this video. If you have any doubt regarding this, you can ask me, I will clarify to you. Okay, thank you friends.